ESA Elektroschaltanlagen Grimma GmbH, innovative German-made electrical engineering. ESA Grimma was founded in 1992 in a place that has always been the emblem of German quality electrical engineering. It began writing its own success story as a five-man company. Today, with its 350 employees, its own development department, and branches all over the world, it is the largest owner-run medium-sized electrical engineering business in the district of Leipzig. ESA is distinguished by the highest quality, innovation, curiosity, and diversity, and its products include state-of-the-art system solutions, enabling reliable power supplies for all kinds of applications in industrial and building technology, railway electrical engineering, medicine, and automation technology. Its main specializations include the planning and manufacturing of low and medium voltage switchgears, which, like many other ESA products and developments, are used worldwide today. Many of its products are made in-house, for instance, using state-of-the-art sheet metal and copper processing, a special powder coating process, and electronics manufacturing. ESA is also able to handle large orders with utmost efficiency, like the 560 control panels that were produced in just 4 months. In addition to reputable customers such as the BMW AG, ESA also maintains long-time technological and system partnerships with the likes of Siemens and ABB Striebel & John, and is a certified Q1 supplier for Deutsche Bahn AG. Its high-quality service is also clear to see. As very few systems are exactly the same, they usually require special solutions. Personalized customer consultations enable the engineers, technicians, and assemblers at the production plant to uphold these high standards. But ESA doesn't leave its customers on their own after product delivery either, continuing to offer them an outstanding level of service.